Hello students, fourth exercise. Find the cubes of the following numbers. The given numbers, find cube of the number 8, 16, 21, 30. See these answers. First one, 8. Cube of 8 means 8 into 8 into 8. 512. This is cube of 8. Nothing but 8 cube equal to 512. Next, second one, 16. Cube of 16 means 16 into 16 into 16. We'll get 4096. 4096. Next, 21. Third one, 21. Cube of 21 means 21 into 21 into 21. Product 3 times is called cube of number 9261. Next, cube of fourth one, cube of 30 means 30 cube. 30 into 30 into 30 equal to 1, 2, 3 zeros. 3 3s 9, 9 3s 27, 3 zeros. This is cube of 30. Next, second Roman. Test whether the given numbers are perfect cubes or not. See these all answers. 243. Do LCM. Find that. Here use all prime numbers. In the 3 8s 24, 3 1s, again 3 27s, 3 9s, 3 3s, again 3 1s. Means how many 3s here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this is not a perfect cube. Why? Because here 3 one pair. So still we want only another pair, another 3. So therefore 243 is not perfect cube. Second one, 516. 2 table, 2 2s, 2 5s, 2 5s 10, 2 8 16. Again 2 table, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 9s. Next, 3 table, 3 4s, 3 3s. Now 43 also prime number, 43 ones. Here 2 into 2 into 3 into 43. So this also not a perfect cube. Therefore 516 is not a perfect cube. Next one, 729. Third one, 3 table, 3 2s, 3 4s, 3 3s. Again 3 8s, 3 1s. 3 2s, 3 7s 21. Next 3 9s, 3 3s. So finally here how many 3s? Observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means 3 pairs. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3. Cube of number means 3 3. One pair. Therefore 729 is a perfect cube. $8,000. Do LCM with the 2 table, 2 4s 8, 0 0, 2 2s 0 0 0, again 2 1 0 0, 2 5s 10 0 0, again 2 2s 4, 2 5s 0. Next 2 1s 2 2s 2 5s. 5 table. Next here 5 table, 5 2s 10, 5 5s 25, again 5 5s. Here observe 2 6 times, 5 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Here having 3 pairs, here observe. So this is perfect cube. Therefore 8000 is a perfect cube. Cube number. Perfect cube of number. Third question. Find the smallest number by which 8788 must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. Given number 8788. Do LCM that. 8788 with 2 table, 2 4s, 2 3s, 2 9s, 2 4s. Again 2 table, 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 9s, 2 7s. Next this 13 table, 13 1s, 13 6, 9. Next 13 13s, 169. Now 2 into 2 into 13 into 13 into 13. Still 2 with multiply should make it a perfect cube. Means here 13 3 pairs. Now here still we want only another 2. Means therefore 2 is to be multiplied to 8788 to make it a perfect cube. Means what number should be multiplied given number, it is make a perfect cube. Means still 2 is multiplied the total number given number to make it a perfect cube. Fourth question. What smallest number should be 7803 is multiplied by with, so it is a product because it is a perfect cube. Means given number 7803, given that 7803. Do LCM that 7803. Here sum of all digits, 3 table take. Sum of all digits is divisible by 3. So that number is divisible by 3. 3 table, 3 2s, 3 6 18, 0 3 1s. Again 3 table, 3 8s 24, 2 is there 20, 3 6 18, 0 3 8 7. Here 3 6 18, 7 take here, 8 67. Next 3 table, again 3 table, 3 2s, 3 8s, 3 9s 27. Next 17 17s, 289, 17 17s. Here observe 3 3 times, 17 2 times. Means still we want another 17. 17 is multiplied to 7803. We get a, it is perfect cube. Therefore 17 is multiplied to 7803 to make it a perfect cube. Fifth question. Find the smallest number by which 8640 must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. Means one number extra will be, what number should be divided to make a perfect cube. Given number 8640. Do LCM 8640 with 2 table, 2 4s, 2 3s, 2 2s, 0. Again 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 6, 0. Again 2 table, 2 1s, 0 8, 0. Means 2 10s 20, 1 is there, 2 8 16, 0. Next 2 5s, 2 4s 0. Next 2 2s 2 7s 0. 270. Again 2 table, 2 1s 2 3s 2 5s 135. Still next here take 3 table, 3 4s 12, 3 5s 15, 3 1s 3 5s. Next 3 5s. Here observe 2 6 times, 3 3 times. Here 1 5 will be. So that number 5 is divide. Only 5 is extra will be. Means 2 into 2 into 2. Again 2 into 2 into 2. 2 3 pairs. And 3 into 3 into 3. 1 5 extra will be. Means 5 should divide. Means therefore 5 is should divide. It is 8640 is make a perfect cube. Make it perfect cube. Means 1 5 extra will be. This 5 is divide. The total number is divisible. It is make a perfect cube.